Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be going over how to create a subpage with Notion. So let's get started. In organizing your content in Notion is as flexible as your thoughts. Let's dive into creating subpages within pages. Step 1. Embrace the concept. In Notion, we don't use folders, we nest pages within pages, creating a seamless hierarchy. Step 2. Create a subpage. Within an existing page, type /page and hit enter. And lo and behold, you have just birthed a subpage. Give it a meaningful title and start adding your content. Step 3. Inline beauty. Return to the parent page and there it is, your subpage. Snugly in line, ready for your ideas to flourish. Step 4. Sidebar magic. The sidebars button is your ally. Click it to open the sidebar. Hover over an existing page and the plus button materializes. Click it to swiftly spawn a subpage right there. Step 5. Visual cues. As you create subpages, your sidebar and breadcrumb trail evolve. Nested beneath their parents, subpages appear neatly in the sidebar. Your breadcrumb at the top left confirms this hierarchy, making your structure crystal clear. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.